Fed rate pause may lock Bitcoin in $60,000 to $80,000 zone through year-end. Analyst. Bitcoin. Fed rate cut. Interest rates. A record $72.2 billion in stablecoin reserves signals strong sidelined liquidity. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 6 minutes ago. Bitcoin could remain trapped in a tight trading band into late December if the Federal Reserve opts against cutting interest rates at its highly anticipated meeting next month, according to an analysis shared by XWIN Research Japan. Key takeaways. Bitcoin may stay locked between $60,000 and $80,000 if the Fed holds rates steady in December. Falling cut expectations have already drained liquidity from risk assets, pushing Bitcoin below $90,000. A record $72.2 billion in stablecoin reserves signals strong sidelined liquidity. The December FOMC is shaping up to be one of the most unpredictable in years. After the U.S. government shutdown forced the Bureau of Labor Statistics to cancel the October jobs report and delay both October and November data, policymakers will head into the meeting with limited visibility. Fed rate cut odds collapse to 40 to 50% as official split. Rate cut expectations, once comfortably above 70%, have now fallen into the 40% to 50% range, with Fed minutes revealing a sharply divided committee. A pause would signal that the Fed is wary of easing while inflation hovers near 3% and key labor indicators remain missing. Historically, tight monetary conditions drain liquidity from risk assets, a pattern already seen earlier this month when falling cut expectations triggered sharp drawdowns across equities and crypto. Bitcoin reacted immediately. As cut odds slipped, the asset fell below $90,000, erasing weeks of gains. Analysts say the same dynamic is likely if the Fed stays cautious in December, with leveraged positions becoming more vulnerable in a low liquidity environment. However, beneath the surface, there's fuel for a rebound. Stablecoin reserves on exchanges have climbed to an all-time high of $72.2 billion, according to the chart shared by XWIN. Every major rally in 2025 has started with a similar build-up, sidelined liquidity waiting for a macro green light. If no rate cut materializes, XWIN expects Bitcoin to consolidate between $60,000 and $80,000 through year-end. Downward pressure comes from muted risk appetite, while upside remains capped until traders get clarity from the Fed. The key question is whether stablecoin reserves stay parked or begin rotating into Bitcoin once the December policy risk passes. Experts reject crypto winter fears, point to stronger market foundations. Despite the recent pullback, several analysts have told Cryptonews that the current downturn looks more like a macro-driven correction than the start of a prolonged freeze, pointing to institutional adoption, regulatory progress, and sector resilience as signs the foundation remains strong. Bitwise Danny Nelson and Hashkey's Tim Sun both argued that the market is far from a full-blown winter. They noted that, unlike previous collapses, the current cycle has not seen a catastrophic event like FTX, and that infrastructure improvements, from tokenization to stablecoin expansion, continue to strengthen the ecosystem. Other analysts highlighted that the absence of a euphoric peak and the impact of global liquidity make this downturn different from historical bear markets. As reported, Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan has also urged investors to look past Bitcoin's sharp pullback, arguing that the cryptocurrency's long-term value has little to do with its recent slide and everything to do with the service it provides. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Why is Tether so profitable, and will it last? XRP price prediction. Millions vanish from XRP funds, are institutions quietly dumping before a bigger crash? Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live NVIDIA earnings report today. Wall Street braces for Q3 results. Will NVIDIA beat expectations? Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. European banking giant goes all in on ETH tech. Is ETH the future of finance? 15 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 42% of holders are losing money. How low can XRP fall? 10 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 50 minutes ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 hour ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.